Part 1. The Cloud Kingdom. The cloud is not a fluffy thing in the sky. It's a kingdom of remote servers that store data, run apps, and stream cat videos, all without clogging up your laptop. Think of it as a digital arena you access throughout the internet. There is three types of cloud services. First one, IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, acts like a kingdom's landlord, providing rented servers, storage, and networking gear such as Azure virtual machines, where you manage the operating system and applications, much like building your own castle on leased land. Second one, PaaS, Platform as a Service. The Kingdom construction crew focuses on coding rather than infrastructure, offering platforms like Google App Engine and Heroku where developers can deploy their apps effortlessly. Think of it as moving into a pre-built castle. You just hang your apps and throw a deploy code without worrying about laying the bricks. Third one, SaaS, SaaS, Software as a Service. The Kingdom's Zem Park represents ready-to-use apps like Netflix, Slack, and Zoom, where everything is set up for you, no construction needed. Think of it like buying a ticket to Disneyland. You don't build the rides, you just enjoy them. Similarly, these apps are fully built and ready for you to use right away. Part 2, Cloud Deployment Models. There is four essential deployment models in a cloud. 1. Public cloud. Public cloud servers are dominated by giants like AWS, Google, and Microsoft, offering cost-effective, scalable solutions with no maintenance hassles. However, they come with security risk since resources are shared with other users, much like a bustling marketplace that's open to everyone but where pickpockets might lurk. 2. Private cloud. Your company's IT team or a third party rules this setup, which offers strong security and customization but comes at a high cost, like building a moat around a castle. Think of it's like a VIP fortress where no peasants are allowed. 3. Hypercloud. Hypercloud combines public and private clouds, allowing you to keep sensitive data like Secret Dragon X securely stored in your private castle, which is private cloud, while running less sensitive applications such as Dragon Taming app in the public cloud. This setup is like having castle with drawbridge to a public village, yet connected, balancing control and scalability. Number 4, community cloud. Community cloud. A community cloud is a shared cloud environment used by specific groups, such as hospitals or banks, where members can collaborate securely. For example, government agencies using a protected cloud system. Think of it like a guide hall where wizards with the same spellbook work together, sharing resources while maintaining exclusivity. Part 3, connectivity options. VPN, Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network acts like a secret tunnel throughout the public internet, encrypting data, as if under a wizard's invisibility cloak, ideal for remote workers accessing a company's private cloud. However, it can be slower than a Sleepy Dragon due to latency issues. Direct Connect. Direct Connect, like AWS Direct Connect, acts like a private highway from your office to the cloud, avoiding traffic jams and providing a fast, reliable connection. Ideal for critical applications such as banking systems, MPLS, multi-protocol label switching. Acts like a GPS for data packets, using labels to route a traffic efficiently, making it ideal for enterprises with multiple branches. A fun fact, MPLS is like the Hogwarts Express packets, always reach platform. Number 4, SD-WAN, software defined WAN. Acts like a smart traffic cop, dynamically selecting the best network path such as LTE, broadband, or MPLS based on real-time conditions. It's ideal for companies using hybrid clouds, functioning like a shape-shifting bridge that transforms into a boat, plane, or teleporter as needed to ensure optimal connectivity. Cloud challenges. Security risks. Public clouds can attract hackers. Mitigate with encryption and firewalls. 2. Latency. Distance to cloud servers can delay data. How to fix it? Use edge computing like mini clouds closer to users. Cost overruns. Cloud bills can spiral like a dragon's fire. Fix. Set budget alerts.